Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the top 10 most popular dishes in the world. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering culinary journey filled with flavors from different cultures. Let's dive right in. 1. Pizza. Starting off our list is an all-time favorite, pizza. Originating from Italy, this dish has become a global sensation. With its crispy crust, tangy tomato sauce, and gooey cheese, pizza offers endless topping possibilities to satisfy every palate. From classic margherita to inventive combinations like barbecue chicken or Hawaiian, pizza has captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. 2. Sushi. Next up, we have sushi, a beloved Japanese delicacy. Sushi combines vinegared rice with fresh seafood or vegetables, wrapped in seaweed. From classic nigiri to maki rolls, sushi has gained worldwide popularity due to its artistic presentation and harmonious flavors. The combination of delicate textures, umami-rich fish, and the subtle heat of wasabi creates a truly unique and unforgettable dining experience. 3. Tacos. Let's head over to Mexico for our next dish, tacos. These handheld delights feature a tortilla filled with savory meats, fresh vegetables, and zesty sauces. Whether it's a traditional street-style taco with tender carnitas or a fusion creation with Korean barbecue, tacos have taken the world by storm. They provide a burst of flavors and textures that make every bite a fiesta in your mouth. 4. Pasta. Now, let's savor the taste of Italy with pasta. From spaghetti to lasagna, pasta dishes are adored for their versatility and comforting flavors. With a myriad of sauces like rich bolognese, creamy alfredo, or fresh pesto, and a variety of toppings, pasta offers endless combinations to please pasta lovers everywhere. It's a true celebration of simplicity and complexity on a plate. 5. Curry. Traveling to South Asia, we find ourselves immersed in the rich and aromatic world of curry. Found in various forms across India, Thailand, and other countries, curry dishes feature a harmonious blend of spices, herbs, and proteins, creating a symphony of flavors. Whether you indulge in a fiery Indian curry or a fragrant Thai green curry, these dishes offer a sensational and unforgettable taste experience. 6. Burgers. Next, we have an American classic, the burger. This iconic sandwich combines a juicy patty, fresh lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and condiments, all nestled within a fluffy bun. Whether it's a classic cheeseburger or a gourmet creation with unique toppings, burgers are a worldwide obsession. They provide a satisfying and hearty meal that appeals to people of all ages and backgrounds. 7. Dumplings. Let's head to Asia once again to indulge in the delightful world of dumplings. Found in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cuisines, these bite-sized bundles of joy are filled with a variety of ingredients such as meat, vegetables, or seafood. Dumplings offer a burst of flavors in every bite. Whether you enjoy steamed, boiled, or pan-fried dumplings, they are the epitome of comfort food and a must-try for any food lover. 8. Paella. Now, let's take a culinary trip to Spain and explore the vibrant dish known as paella. This iconic rice dish is a celebration of flavors, featuring saffron-infused rice, succulent meats like chicken and chorizo, along with an array of seafood. Paella is traditionally cooked in a large shallow pan, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. It's a festive and communal dish that showcases the rich culinary heritage of Spain. 9. Pho. Heading over to Vietnam, we cannot miss out on the world-famous pho. This fragrant noodle soup showcases the delicate balance of flavors achieved through a slow-cooked broth, tender slices of beef or chicken, fresh herbs, and rice noodles. Pho offers a comforting and soul-warming experience. It's not only a staple breakfast dish in Vietnam but has also gained immense popularity worldwide for its complexity and depth of flavors. 10. Gelato. Finally, we wrap up our list with a sweet treat from Italy, gelato. This creamy and luscious frozen dessert is made with less air and lower fat content compared to ice cream. Gelato comes in a multitude of flavors, allowing you to indulge in pure bliss with each spoonful. Whether you opt for classic flavors like pistachio and chocolate or adventurous combinations like salted caramel with balsamic reduction, gelato is a delightful way to end any meal. There you have it, folks. Our list of the top 10 most popular dishes in the world. From the comforting flavors of pizza and pasta to the vibrant spices of curry and the refreshing sweetness of gelato, these dishes represent the rich diversity and global appeal of culinary traditions. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating!